Alright, so for anyone who's curious, this is what a Swann 16 camera surveillance system looks like when it's disassembled. So by the way, to take it out, there's 2 screws on the front here. So there's one here, then there's 2, so like one on the side, then one on the other side. So those correspond to these screws here. And then there's 3 screws on the bottom for these holes right there. And then once you take those out, you can just pop off the top here. Okay, so here's the hard drive. And the reason I'm taking it out is to actually try upgrading it to like a 20 terabyte hard drive or a 10 terabyte hard drive just to see if it would work. Here's the electronics. Looks like there's another pin here for a fan. Additional fan, maybe? Here's the controller for the USB in the front. So just show off the front here. And the light as well. Then they have these 2 little fans here. Alright, hopefully that's enough for anyone who's interested.